Premium Glove Conditioner. Make the glove break-in process quicker and easier. Cleans and restores your glove to its original glory. Contains lanolin and vitamin E. Compact size, fits into any equipment bag. Restore your glove or mitt to its original glory with the Wilson Pro Stock Glove Conditioner. This glove care accessory contains lanolin and vitamin E, which work to clean and restore the leather of your glove. The compact size of the Wilson Pro Stock Conditioner fits in any equipment bag. Additionally, this American-made product helps speed up and simplify the break-in process, letting you get into the action faster. Top reviews from the United States. Like new again. Wow. I trusted this product to be the first layer of leather conditioner on all 3 of my newer gloves. Glad to say this product did not disappoint. This product did not leave blemishes on the leather like an oil product would. The leather afterwards was left looking as clean as it did when I got it from the store or online, even my dirty catcher's mitt. There was no feeling of having too much product left over on the leather if you use a rag to rub it in. Left to dry overnight. Important note, let it dry naturally, any heat can damage or crack the leather. This morning all 3 gloves dried and look amazing. You can feel the leather is conditioned and in way better health than before. I would very highly recommend this product for anyone. I've used this on very high quality gloves, $250, $450, and it worked wonders. Photo included.